doing this out the window, so I don't know how good you'll be able to see. But give you some perspective, there's the 4 foot, or however many feet, fence. Donnie, how tall is the fence?
4 feet.
4 feet. And
it's
probably about a foot.
Foot below the fence. So it's 3 feet.
3 feet is. And there's birds. I can see it through the window. I'm doing this from inside. And the windows are all frosted over. You see, this is our window to try to look out. You could see. You can't look out. So all the windows in the house are like that.
Holy mackerel. Back deck's covered with 1.5 inches of snow.
Yeah. Donnie's been shoveling all morning, all night. Can't get ahead of it.
I'm going to put these in the dryer.
Yep. A train. But I'm glad we put out suet and stuff for the birds. Suet and seed, so they can get some warmth. They said that's how birds survive these, by eating.